Hey folks, today we're back at it. Sorry I've been kind of absent for a little bit. Winter had me pretty busy and just didn't have time to do a lot of videoing. Anywho, we'll get past that. This summer I'm gonna hopefully put out a ton of content. Hopefully you'll enjoy it. Again, I just, this is just a hobby for me. I just enjoy doing this. I'm not looking to get anything out of it, and then hopefully some of the things I do helps you all out, because I know when I get on YouTube and I search things that, all your guys' videos help me out. So it's a wonderful community. I just really enjoy it. So here we go. Today we're going to take this miter saw, this DeWalt miter saw, and we're going to create a miter table using these two benches I put together from Harbor Freight. So very inexpensive benches that we're hopefully going to countersink this miter saw, and either put it on a trap door or a shelf. I haven't figured it out yet. We'll figure that out together, and then we'll have a nice miter table. One of the things I've been missing, I have this cart over here that I use as a miter cart. It worked great, but would like something a little bit more professional, something that sits up a little bit taller since I'm pretty tall. So hopefully this all works out. I think we've got everything situated now. You can see I already took the drawers out. These are kind of worthless drawers anyways, very cheap. That was my only real complaint about these Harbor Freight benches, is that the drawers just really flimsy. They didn't come out very far. It just weren't very useful. So we're gonna take these brackets off. We'll do our measurements and we'll get the table cut right out of the gate, and then from there we'll build the structure to hopefully build the trap door and get this thing all mounted up. Okay, we got it prepped. I'll do my second measurements. For any of you that are curious, this is the DWS 780 compound miter. In my opinion, it's definitely, you get a lot more features, I think, than the 779. It's well worth, getting the light. It's well worth getting some of the extra adjustments. Getting, a metal handle back here. It is a little bit, it just seems like they've just done some upgrades that are well worth it, in my opinion. So, yeah, DWS 780. All right, so we got this all cut out. Still don't know how I'm going to make this platform yet, so we'll just battle that together. This is actually going to be my sheet of plywood that I'll actually mount the saw to. I'll figure out a way that when the saw's not in use, I can still have my full workbench. We'll get to that here in a minute. So here we go.
Hey, my car's telling me my tire's flat.
All right, so I made my supports. Sometimes you just got to use what you got. I'll swap it out later once I get more 2x4s. All right, so here's the preliminary. We made the insert. It's not attached yet, so I haven't figured that part out, but there it is. And now I'll just be able to take it out of here, lay it on the lower shelf, and then put the top back on there. And it's just as it was. All right, just drilled 1/2-inch holes and put these J-bolts. Make it so it won't go anywhere. Locks it right into place. So now we can mount the miter on top of here. We'll be good to go. This will just slide . Have it. Bench back to normal. Miter saw tucked away. Easy as pie. And there you have it, folks. Turning 2 workbenches from Harbor Freight into a miter saw stand and back into a workbench. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll hope to have more videos here in the future. Appreciate you all hanging in there. We'll talk to you all later.